Hello students, welcome to Shield IAS. So we continue our series of UPSC Prelims question discussion. In first part, we have already discussed 10 questions from geography section. In this video, I have taken up another important question from environment section, which was asked by UPSC in Prelims 2022. So let's start with the first question. Question number 1 says that consider the following pairs. Here in left column, we have important lakes and wetland and their location. And we have to find out how many pairs given above are correctly matched. So in GS classes, we have already discussed some important wetland, important lakes, their importance and their location. So in that we have discussed that Hokera wetland, it is not located in Punjab, it is located in Jammu and Kashmir, 10 km from Srinagar. And this Hokera wetland, it is in Jhelum river basin. So one is incorrect. Second lake, that is Renuka wetland, it is the largest freshwater lake. Freshwater lake in Himachal Pradesh. And this is also natural wetland of Himachal Pradesh. So second is correct. Third, Rudrasagar lake, it is located Melaghar of Tripura, and this is also a Ramsar lake. So second is correct, third is correct, and Sasthamukta lake, it is not in Tamil Nadu. This is located in the Kollam district of Kerala, and this lake Sasthamukta, it is also largest freshwater lake of Kerala. So with this we can incorrect 4. One is already incorrect, so only 2 pair are correct, that is Renuka wetland and Rudrasagar lake. So B is the correct answer. With this, next move to the next question. Question number 2, consider the following statement in respect to probiotics. So what are probiotics? Probiotics are live microorganism. Microorganisms which are help to health benefits when human being consume it and apply to the body, and these probiotics, they are found in human gut, they also found in fermented food, and this probiotic also found in beauty product. So now read the statement. Probiotics are made of both bacteria and yeast. So this statement is correct. Second statement, the organisms in probiotics are found in foods we ingest, but they do not naturally occur in our gut. So this is incorrect. As we discussed that they are found in the human gut, and the probiotic that found in human gut, the name of the probiotic is lactobacillus. So lactobacillus is the name of probiotics which found in the human gut. Third statement, probiotic help in digestion of milk sugar. This is also correct because certain strain of a bacteria, and the name of the bacteria is D. galactodisease. So this is the name of the bacteria which found in which help in the digestion of milk sugar. So here 2 is incorrect, we can eliminate B, D, and 1, 3 are correct. So C is the correct answer. So with the next move to the next question. Question number third says that climate action tracker, which monitors the emission reduction place of the different countries. So climate action tracker, it is independent, scientific. It is independent scientific analysis, which tracking the government climate action and measure it against the globally agreed Paris Agreement. And what is the Paris Agreement? The aim of the Paris Agreement is to holding global warming below 2 degrees Celsius and pursuing effort limit up to 1.5 degrees Celsius. And this organization, there is 2 organizations which work with this climate action tracker, that is climate analysis and new climate institution. So here the correct answer is A, that is database created by coalition of research organization, and the research organization are climate analysis and new climate institution. So A is the correct answer. Question number 4, the climate group is an international non-profit organization that drives climate action by large network and runs them. So this statement is correct. Climate group is an NPO, that is non-profit organization, which established in 2003. Second statement, the International Energy Agency in partnership with Climate Group launched a global initiative EP100. This statement is incorrect. It is not International Energy Agency, it is Alliance of Save Energy. With collaboration of Climate Group launched this global initiative. So 2 is eliminated. If 2 is incorrect, we can eliminate option A, we can eliminate option C and D. Here B is the correct answer. Question number 5. If rainforest and tropical forest are lungs of the earth, then surely wetland function as a kidney. So question says, if forests are lungs of earth, then wetland are kidney of earth, which means both lungs are kidney, they regulate water and filter the waste from landscape. If they filter the landscape, which means the question says, which one of the following function of a wetland best reflect the above statement? Which means the plant of a wetlands. So the wetlands include mangroves, the wetland includes a rice field, it can be peatland, it can be rivers, lakes and deltas, and it can be coral reefs also. So the plants in this region is known as aquatic plant, and aquatic plant absorb heavy metals and excessive nutrients. So here the correct answer is D, that is aquatic plants absorb heavy metals and excess nutrients. With this, next move to the next question. Question number 6, with reference to Gucci, sometimes mentioned in the news, consider the following statement. So Gucci is the name of mushroom. So Gucci is the name of mushroom, which is species of fungus So here the option is, it is a fungus, correct answer, and it grow in some Himalayan forest. This is correct. It is grown in Jammu and Kashmir. It is also Uttarakhand and also found in some parts of Himachal Pradesh. So second is correct, but it is not commercially cultivated in Himalayan foothills. So 3 is incorrect. If 3 incorrect, we can eliminate B, we can eliminate D. Here C is the correct answer, that is 1 and 2. Now question number 7. With reference to polyethylene terephthalate, the use of which is so widespread in our daily lives. So polyethylene terephthalate, it is in short is known as PET, and this PET is strong synthetic fiber, and they belongs to the family of polymer. Now read the statement. Statement 1 says that its fiber can be blended with wool and cotton fibers to reinforce their properties. Here the statement correct. Why? Because it has high resistance of deformation. And the second statement, the containers made of it can be used to store any alcoholic beverage. Here the Maharashtra government in April 2022 has banned to use this PET to store any alcohol beverage. So second statement is incorrect. If second is incorrect, we can eliminate B, we can eliminate D. Now read the third statement. Bottle made of it can be recycled into other products. Here the statement is correct. So here the correct answer is A. And why 4 is not correct? Article made of it can be easily disposed of by incineration without causing greenhouse gas emission. So it is not possible. PET is not. If PET is easily disposed by the incineration process, it causes the greenhouse gas emission. So 4 is incorrect. The correct answer is A, that is 1 and 3. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a bird? This is easy question. In environment class, we have discussed about all these 4 species. That is golden mahseer, Indian nightjar, or it is nocturnal species. Means they active in night and sleep in the daytime. Spoonbills, they are found in the estuaries and freshwater. And about golden mahseer, it is also known as mahi fish. It is known as mahi fish, or it is also known as share tiger, or sometimes it is also called as tiger among the fish. Tiger among the fish. And this golden mahseer, they are found in fast moving water, especially in the temperature between 5 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, and especially in the region, if we talk about Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra basin. So they are found in this region. So golden mahseer is not a fish, birds, it is a fish. So A is the correct answer. With this, next move to the next question. Question number 9. Which of the following are nitrogen fixation plants? So nitrogen fixation is a process that implies the transformation of the relative non-reactive atmospheric nitrogen into more reactive compounds, means nitrates, and ammonia. So here Amarnath is a short-lived plant, short-lived perennial plant. And it does not function like nitrogen fixation. So we can eliminate Amarnath So if 2 is eliminated, we can eliminate C, we can eliminate D. And clover is the best example of nitrogen fixing plant. So 4 is correct. So if 4 is correct, we can eliminate B also. So here the correct answer is A, that is the 1, 3 and 4. Now move to the next question. The last question is, the Miyawaki method is well known for A, promotion of commercial farming in arid and semi-arid areas. B, development of gardens using genetically modified flora. C, creation of mini forest in urban areas. And D, harvesting wind energy on coastal areas and on sea surface. So here Miyawaki method, that is BMC, that is Bombay Municipal Corporation, has been using Miyawaki method to create tiny urban forest. Tiny urban forest in the area of metropolitan city of Mumbai. So here the correct answer is C, that is creation of a mini forest in the urban areas. So this is how we have discussed some important questions from environment section of UPSC Prelims 2022. In next video, we'll be discussing the remaining question of environment section. Thank you so much.